Hello everyone. I'm Director Balin Henry, a music producer, a video director, a graphic designer, and also I'm a content creator. As I'm doing now, these are content. Now, this falls under the program that I actually started that is called Create and Earn, where you get to have different ideas on how to make things. And being that I have one idea on music production, started with music production lessons, and today is a special day now that I combine everything from percussion making, that is beat making, the whole beat making, percussion and voices. Now here there is a project that I've already set everything, so I will just be showing you how these things work. Whatever you have seen, I have an offer for you. If you need to record, there is an offer there that I've given out. So if you are interested, call the number below. Okay? Call the number. So let's get straight to the project. Now, as I had introduced you earlier, before you do anything, you set the tempo, of which our tempo is 109, and the next thing, after setting the tempo, you choose the percussions. Yeah, for Ohangla, there are percussions that are meant for Ohangla. Hata kama umjui au wengine wenye nasikianga Ohangla iko na vikapashoni zake. Kiswahili I don't know Kiswahili. I can make it, but first thing as usual is always kick. So, to begin with, so that is the key. There we go. You need that, my friend. You need that. That is triangle. In Greek we call it Ohangla. Yeah. Seriously? We are going to the next thing, my friend. Let me set everything so that there's little problem, my dear friend. They should not be making noise. Beat ikuwe imetulia kaka. Ikuwe imetulia kaka, ikuwe imetulia kaka. Bado yuapiga kelele hicho. There we go, my friend. There we go. Baseline. We are going to the baseline.